Hi viewers, Samannath Small Steps Trader channel. So today post market report will see that yesterday due to some unavoidable reason I unable to post the market report. But today on it will continue. So before going to the analysis, today's market mantra: average investors who try to do a lot of trading will only make their brokerage less. So with the greedy, we will do a lot of trade to make the money, but we won't become rich, but our brokerage become rich. So this is what most of the time happens with most of the traders. So it's not number of the trade matters. It's how much trade you are closing for profitability. That matters. So number of not number of the trade, profitability is the matters. Okay, we'll go to the market. First Nifty 50. Today Nifty closed 36 point positively at 19,611. High 19,636, low 19,491. 24 stock ended positively and 27 stock ended negatively. The top gainer is Tata Consumer 4.11%, Division 1.77, Bharati Airtel 1.62, HDFC 1.53, Britannia 1.44% positive. The top loser is Tata Steel minus 1.71%, Hindalco minus 1.65, Axis Bank minus 1.48, NTPC minus 1.32, IndusInd Bank minus 1.30%. So out of this 30 stock, the biggest contributor is from HDFC, 40 points positive contribution. The next is almost 10 points from the ITC. But still, these two stock contribute around 50 points. But because of the ICICI Bank negative contribution of 13 points and Axis Bank around 9 points negative contribution, and Tata still 4 points. So consolidatively, if we see 36 point positive contribution. Sector based services, the financial services supported 20 point positive contribution and FMCG, and that also around 20 point positive contribution. The negative side, metal and mining 7.7% negative contribution, and information IT minus 6.36%. Bank Nifty, so it ended minus 123 point negatively at 44,409 ended. High 44,577 and low 44,207. 3 stocks ended positively and 9 stocks ended negatively. The top gainer is HDFC Bank 1.53%, AI Bank 0.57 and Kotak Bank 0.28%. Top loser is Punjab National Bank minus 2.23%, IDFC First Bank minus 2.02, Axis Bank minus 1.48, IndusInd Bank minus 1.30, ICICI Bank minus 0.86%. So totally Bank Nifty minus 123.800 negativity. The biggest negative contributor is ICICI minus 91% and Axis Bank minus 64%, IndusInd Bank minus 40%, and IDFC First Bank minus 20 points. So this all collectively almost more than 200 point negative contribution, and rest of the stock also negative contributed. But the only the positive thing is from HDFC 190 point positively it contributed. So that stopped, that prevented the huge negative fall. So it helped a lot HDFC. Then Kotak Bank around 12 point positive contribution. So at the end 123 point negatively gets ended. We'll see this chart analysis. You will see the Nifty previous closes 19,574 at opening is 19,581, around 7.8 positively low open. But if you see, then immediately the next candle came down again. The subsequent candle it came up. So till it was in the sideways movement until 11:30. So after 11:30, if you see, you take multiple intraday support, we can see this zone. So around 11:30, that the support is broken. It fell very well. So 19,560 is the support it took. After the support is broken, it came to 19,491. So almost 70 point it has come down, but immediately it recovered hugely. If you see from the low, the high is 19,636. So more than closely 150 point it is intraday recovery. It's very good recovery. That too, if the 3 o'clock, the two candle, if you see around 540 here, here 620. So almost 80 point in 10 minutes it is recovered. Very huge recovery in very short duration, you can see. So that helped largely Nifty closed positively and giving indication that still I'm like to go in the upper side. But Bank Nifty, if you see, the previous close is 44,532. It opened at 44,494. So negatively it opened, but almost a similar pattern you can see. It also had a support. This is this intraday support. You can see multiple time it hit this 44,440. Once it has broken from see the low 44,207. So almost around 230.8 from it came down. From the low again it's gone up to 44,520. So around 300 point it is recovered. But if we still end of the day it is minus 123 point negatively closed. But the similarly the pattern is similar but Nifty at 3 o'clock a big recovery and ended positively. But it couldn't be able to make that much momentum at 3 o'clock. So this is the Bank Nifty. So we will see how the trend is being. We will see in the day chart. This is the first level support 19,400. So still it is quite away from well away almost 400 points away from the support. So this is a very good positive indication and it's very much above with EMA 20 and 50 EMA. So it giving hope trying to come up. And today the Bank Nifty unable to make positive, but at the last moment at 3 o'clock it gave a very big recovery and closed positively. So that shows that still Nifty trying to go in the highest rate only. The Nifty Bank, this is the strong support we are seeing 42,000. Sorry, here is the support. So it is quite away from the support. So almost around 500 point. So this is still it also giving the hope. But if you see the indicator, both plus and minus TMI are above 20. So this is the indication of sideways movement. Similarly, Nifty as well. But Nifty trying to go positive if this broke the 20 line mark in the downside, and if it crosses the minus DMI, then the movement will be very good. So it will reach the all-time high and even it penetrate the 20,000 mark. So this is about Nifty and Bank Nifty, but we cannot judge the market with only large cap index. So we have to see mid and small cap and total market index to have an eagle view of the total market. So for that reason, we will see the Nifty mid 400 index. So this is Nifty mid and small 400, which is mid cap 150 stock and small cap 250 stocks. So that index just marginally ended positively 5 points. If you see the total market index, which is inclusive of large cap, mid cap, small cap, and micro cap, the first 750 stock. So that ended at 17 point positively. So these two index still giving the hope. See, it is very well. The momentum is very good. So there's a huge gap between the UN20 EMA and the candle space. So it will come down at a level with the aspect of retracement. So don't get panicked until this 13,000 grows. This is the strong support. The next level support we can say, the immediate support we can say this. If you see the total market index, still this is above the channel. So these two index still giving the hope that our market is not in the downside. So we can take the Nifty and Bank Nifty. It's not a bullish or bearish, but we can see still it's in the sideways, trying to. There are still hope it will go in the upper direction. We'll see the FIDA data. So before that, I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe and like this button. Today, the FII is 3,245 crores negative net sellers. DAI 247 crores net selling. So huge net selling, but still Nifty has made a very good recovery. So almost I think this negativity, I think it's because of in mid and small cap, I think so. So yeah, the intraday, that index was still very well, and again it recovered, and minus 4 point we can saw that. So I think the most of the selling happened at mid and small, and bit of in the bank nifty. So this total month, the FIR on the net seller of 7,850 crores and the DA 5,688 crores net buying. So both are contradicting. Okay, this is month-wise FIA data for your reference. So what is our big brother US market? Dow Jones is saying, we will see that. So in the last session, Dow Jones ended at 195 negatively, and broad market index S&P 500 almost 18 point negatively. So still see the big decisive candle, but anyway, this is the big support. So until it doesn't break, still we can make a hope. This is about the benchmark index DJ, the S&P 500 broad market index. What it says, we will see that. This is the first level support. So it's well away from the support. If you see the indicator, the plus DMI is above 25 mark, and the minus DMI is quite below 20 mark, we can see. And ADX is trying to penetrate this minus DMI. If minus DMI comes like this and ADX crosses this minus DMI, then the upper side movement will be good. There may be some, it may touch the support and stops recover. That also possibilities are there. So this is about the US market. Let me see. So this is giving still hope. It didn't. It not in the downside. Okay. So with this, we wind up this video. This video is for educational purpose. Don't take any trading or investment decision based on this. Always do your own study and analysis and take your own decision with the guidance of your SEBI registered advisor. See you in next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.